Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In last video we dive deep in the configuration related to database operations. You can read it your own. I maybe talked a lot in this one, and if you don't understand everything, you may read uh, the explanation yourself here, and also go to the database group commands. Everything is explained there very well. You can also go there, so you can read yourself here. You can read the description I put under each configuration key, and also go there in the Folio commands section under the DB group, where you find all database commands used. You can understand how it works and how to use it. Okay. Now we will continue with the rest of the configuration components we have. Start with Kafka. We have here the Kafka port and Kafka host. If you go there, these are the two configuration keys. Okay. We will simply continue here as it's more simpler and easier. Here we have the Elasticsearch configuration. I think it's very self-explanatory. Here we have the Okapi section. Everything related to Okapi to configure. First, the port. We start Okapi port on this port. It's the default port you find in Folio documentation, and the host is localhost. You can put a boundary or a limit or a cap for the range of ports related allocated to Okapi modules. For example, here we put 9199 because Elastic works on 9200. So I put it one port under this one. So everything works okay with each other. This directory where Okapi exists inside the modules directory. It is a Okapi repository. This is a configuration to enable authentication if you want to enable it. There's a vertex metrics option if you want to enable it, default to false. There's a storage option for Okapi. It's default to Postgres. You have also other values like in-memory or MongoDB. Trace headers if you want to add trace header to your API requests. Locally I am using true. The default value is true. The log level of your Okapi instance will be debug here. You can extend the options here. These options are explicitly stated, but if you want to extend the options, you can extend it here. For example, we have added metrics. I think this one is like this one, the same, but I don't know. It's added here. Token cache, time limit in milliseconds, added here. The Okapi argument running in dev environment. There are many other arguments like init database, or purge database. There are cluster. There are other many argument options you can add to while running Okapi. Init will initialize the database, will remove everything, and after that initialize the database, like adding env, deployment, tenants, tables, which is essential for Okapi to run. Purge database will only remove everything and do not initialize the database for Okapi to run. This image tag for Okapi. If you run Okapi inside a Docker container, its name is Okapi. The container name is also Okapi. The directory for the core Okapi is inside Okapi core. If you this one Okapi wait until finish starting. If you run Okapi, it will take time a little bit to spin up Okapi. So I will sleep in my script for a while, and then continue running the script. If I don't do this, Sometimes the okapi will not finish starting up and the script will continue, and some of the process will call okapi with a curl request, and in that case the script will fail because okapi has not been started or has not finished starting yet. So the solution for this is simply wait a little bit until the okapi instance starts and finish its starting phase, and then continue. Okay. If I wanna go back from the core okapi, I will simply go back to directories. As I went in two directories, okapi core, I will go back the same direction, two directories back. Okay, we finished the okapi section. Next one we will continue with the modules section, modules configuration section. Thank you and see you in the next one.